Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix startup repair couldn't repair your PC error, then watch this video for the solutions. The first solution is to remove all your peripheral devices, disconnect them from the computer. So any third-party device that like a printer or a scanner that is plugged into your computer, you need to remove them because what happens is these devices, when you connect them, they push their own drivers into the system, which can cause the system to have multiple problems and could cause an error like this. The second solution is to restart your PC in a clean boot configuration. For that, we need to look for system administrator, configuration, and we need to click on services. So here we will disable the services, but before that we need to check this box, hide all Microsoft services. And this is very important folks, because if you disable the Microsoft services, your PC will fail to restart. So once you have disabled these Microsoft services, then you can disable those services which you feel are third-party services like Mozilla, Google, and you can disable these and click apply and OK, and you can click restart and your PC will restart in the clean configuration and you should be able to run startup repair. If that also doesn't work, then we have to restore the system, and we can do that by looking for recovery in the search bar and click on it. Click on open system restore and click on next, and we can click on any restore point, click on next, and we can click finish, and it should work. If that doesn't work, then we need to reset the PC, and how we can do that is we need to click on right click on start, settings, system, and look for recovery, and we will click on reset PC, and we will click on remove everything. And files, folks, before you click on remove everything, just a word of caution: if you have any personal files that you want to keep or any personal documents, then please create a backup. Now here we will click on cloud download, and we will click on next, and we will continue the process to reset our PC in a new configuration. If that doesn't work and still your system startup repair won't work, then you need to perform a check disk. So we'll do that by going to the command prompt, right click, run as administrator, click yes, and we will check the CHKDSK space /F//R and press enter, then press Y and enter. Another scan we can run is the SFC scan. So we will go to command prompt again, right click, run as administrator, click on yes, and we will type SFC space /SCANNOW and press enter, and this should definitely fix the problem folks. If you like this video, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.